Hey, what's going on today? I'm going to walk you through on how to service your P0013 code slash P0014 code, which is the camshaft position sensor. It's relatively easy to do and it's relatively cheap. I got my replacement parts for about 24 bucks on Amazon, and this is what they look like. All right, so to be specific about what engines this sensor works for, it's actually quite a few. So it's the 2-liter, it's a 2.2 liter and 2.4 liter engines, which includes 2010 to 2015 Buick LaCrosse, Buick Regal, Buick Verano, 2006 to 2010 Chevy Cobalt, 2010 to 2015 Chevy Equinox, 2014 Chevy Impala, and there's quite a few more. I will go ahead and list the rest of those cars on the description below, just in case you aren't completely sure. But yeah, I hope this video helps. So the first thing you're going to do is, if you have the engine cover on your car, it's relatively easy to take out. There's about 4 different tabs, one on each corner. You're going to want to pull those out. I kind of already did it on mine. And then that will show you the actual motor. You're going to want a 10 millimeter socket and your wrench, of course. And these would be the 2 sensors here that we are going to replace. So go ahead and unbolt that. Once you have those loosened up and bolted, you're going to want to take these 2 tabs that connect to the sensors out. All right, so these can be a little tricky to pop out from there. What I do is I use the flathead screwdriver to kind of loosen the sensor at the bottom of the base, and that should loosen it up enough so that you can actually pull it out, and usually it comes out. So this is what it looks like. You can see the oil in there. The other tricky part here is, don't try to take off the top here from the sensor when it's still down there, because you might break the actual tab. So the tab is on the bottom right there, and you can again use the flathead screwdriver to loosen it up, and it should come right off. All right, and that's what it should look like with the sensor off. Now all you have to do is repeat the same steps. Put the new sensor inside and tighten it up, put the clip on, and you're good to go. It's as easy as that. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.